Hey everyone, Josh here from New Cars Technology. Today, we're diving into the world of trucks with the 2024 Fiat Titano. The new truck is essentially a Peugeot with its origins stemming from a Chinese pickup. Stellantis offers several truck models that, unfortunately, aren't available in the United States. Some notable ones include the Fiat Strada, the Ram 700, and the compact Rampage. While the Rampage might eventually be introduced in the US, nothing has been confirmed yet. Additionally, the Peugeot Landtrek has been rebranded as the new Fiat Titano in Latin America and Africa. Named after Greek mythology, similar to the Nissan Titan, the Fiat Titano competes directly with the Ford Ranger in its segment. This mid-size truck has its origins in the Changan Kaixin F70, a Chinese pickup jointly developed by Changan Automobile and PSA. Introduced in 2019, it is manufactured in multiple factories worldwide and is branded differently to cater to various regional markets. The Fiat Titano can already be ordered in Algeria equipped with a 1.9-liter diesel engine. This engine produces 150 horsepower and 258 pound-feet, 350 newton-meters, of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The diesel engine provides ample power for a maximum payload capacity of 2,667 pounds, 1,210 kilograms. In Brazil, it is anticipated to come with a more powerful 2.2-liter diesel engine delivering 200 horsepower and 331 lb-ft, 450 newton-meters, of torque. In Algeria, the Fiat Titano is available in a single cab version with a 4x2 configuration, as well as a double cab variant with a 4x4 setup that can accommodate up to 5 people. Meanwhile, according to our sources at Motor One Brazil, the Fiat Titano destined for the Brazilian market will exclusively feature 4 doors. This decision is aimed at optimizing production capacity at the Nordex factory in Uruguay. That's it for today's overview of the 2024 Fiat Titano. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to New Cars Technology for more automotive content. See you next time. Drive safe and stay tuned for more.